Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting account access and a properly formatted file. Sign in to Apple Books Connect with your Apple ID. Once signed in, make sure your manuscript is in a clean EPUB format. Pages can export EPUB or use an EPUB creator. Create a cover sized between 1,400 and 3,000 pixels tall, saved as JPEG or PNG. Next, assemble basic metadata: title, author, language, and ISBN if you have one. These let the platform index your book correctly before upload. Once done with files, validate the EPUB to avoid rejection. Confirm a working table of contents, correct CSS, and embedded fonts. Then upload the EPUB and cover in Books Connect. Fill metadata fields carefully. Categories, keywords, and age range guide discoverability. Make pricing and territory selections next and decide on DRM. After configuring, preview the book using the Apple Books Previewer or on your iPhone/iPad so you can catch layout issues or image. You finish by submitting the package for Apple review and watching the status in Books Connect. Reviews typically take 1 to 3 days. Once approved, your book goes live in the selected stores, or you can set a release date to coordinate marketing. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Run EPUB validation tools, check embedded fonts and image resolutions, confirm a valid TOC, and correct metadata mismatches. Then reupload the fixed files and resubmit for review to complete publication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.